Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Instagram SEO using link in bio tools, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what Instagram SEO is and why it matters. Successful Instagram SEO helps boost your visibility and attract more followers. Start with a clear profile picture that represents your brand effectively. Ensure your username is recognizable and easy to spell. Craft a strong bio that includes relevant keywords related to your niche. Incorporate line breaks and emojis to make your bio visually appealing. Next, focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Utilize relevant hashtags in your posts to increase discoverability. Research popular hashtags in your niche to reach a wider audience. Now, let's discuss the importance of link in bio tools. These tools allow you to share multiple links using a single URL in your bio. Start by selecting a link in bio tool that fits your needs. Some popular options include Linktree, Beacons, and lnk.bio. Sign up for your chosen tool and customize your landing page. Add links to your latest content, products, or services. Organize these links effectively so visitors can easily navigate. Consider including a call to action for each link to encourage clicks. Keep your landing page updated with the latest links and promotions. Now, let's optimize your link in bio tool for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your link descriptions. Choose a custom URL that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Make your landing page visually appealing with contrasting colors and images. Monitor your analytics to see which links are performing best. Use this data to make informed decisions about future content and links. Finally, promote your link in bio across other platforms to drive traffic. Share it in your Instagram stories, posts, and even in your email newsletters. Consistently monitor and adjust your Instagram SEO strategy based on performance. By following these steps, you'll enhance your visibility and engagement on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.